Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm in the CVS parking lot. I took longer than I wanted. I wanted to be like, okay, let's get in, get out, but then the machine was out of paper, so I had to wait for them to print it, and then I have Miss Charlotte with me and I have to hold her and feed her, and then I ran into an employee, so it's just like 2 hours later, I'm finally out of CVS. But it has been a moneymaker, you guys. I'm pretty excited. I didn't get very much, but I was excited to get what I got. I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting 4 Tresemme. It's hard for me to pull them out. Let's see where I put them. But I ended up getting 4 of the Tresemme. I'm just going to pull out 2 for you guys right now. But these are $5.21. They're buy one, get one 50% off. I used two off of 2 coupons that we got from our inserts, I think, last Sunday. I also had a $2.25 off of 10 Tresemme CRT that I received from last week. And then I also had a $1 CRT that I received from last week also. So I paid $8.62 for 4 of these. But then you guys would get $5 back in an ECB. And I also got 750 points from Fetch Rewards, and I also got 1,250 points from Fetch Rewards because there was 2 different types of deals for buying Tresemme. The one ends in a couple days, so make sure you guys definitely do that. So, and I am going to be posting a video on Tuesday of how to use the Fetch Rewards app if you guys don't know how to use that. But you guys would get all 4 bottles for $3.62 or just 90 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. I mean, 90 cents for a big bottle of shampoo and conditioner, I think that is a pretty great deal. So yeah, if you guys haven't joined Fetch Rewards and you guys want to get free money, definitely click my referral link below. You guys can get, it's different every single time, but you guys can either get $2, $3, or $4 when you click my referral link and then you submit your first receipt. You guys can do that. So I ended up doing that, and I think that's all that's what is in this bag is just Tresemme. So, and if you guys are wondering where'd you get your bags at, I got them at IKEA back, a while ago. So I ended up getting mouthwash. I got Crest mouthwash. Now these were $4.99. I used a $1 off coupon, plus I had a 2 off of 6 CRT. So you guys would pay $5.98 for the both of these, but then you guys will get $2 of an ECB when you buy one, so you guys get $4 back, making these $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece, which I say mouthwash for $1 is a pretty good deal. So I'm sharing with you guys on that. Now I ended up getting some candy. She forgets I have my own bag, and then she puts stuff in a bag, and I'm gonna save this bag in case we need it. But I ended up getting the Sure. My store didn't have any Brute, but I ended up getting the Sure on both of my cards. Now these were on sale for $2 a piece. You guys would pay $2. I can't find the other one. I'm not organized today. But you guys would pay $2 for this, and then you guys would get a $2 rebate or $2 ECB back, making them absolutely free. Since I had 2 cards, I ended up getting both of them. So I wanted to share with that. I should have been more organized doing my video. Everything's just spewing out. It's like, come on. I had it all the same. Okay, so this bag's easy to get. So I ended up getting the L'Oreal Olive. Now these were 2 for $8. It's like fuzzing here. 2 for $8. I used a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got in today's paper, plus a 3 off of 2 CRT that is printed from the red machine today. So you guys would just get these for $2 or $1 a piece. So definitely got that deal. I haven't used this stuff in forever. I kind of just rotate my stuff, but I've been wanting to use that. Now I ended up getting some makeup, and I'm going to share with you guys the makeup deal. Now, since I have 2 cards, I ended up doing this with both of my cards because I didn't want these to pass up, and I haven't gotten one of these makeup bags at all since they've been doing it. So I ended up getting the Revlon Candid. Now I feel like from out in the daylight, this color looks not like me. I got Buff, and I got 2 different colors, but this does not look like me at all. I don't know, but I got Buff. This was $10.99, and then I ended up getting a lip gloss for $9.79. So I got both of these, so they come out to be over $20. I used a $4 off coupon for the face, and I used a $3 off coupon for the lip. Now every time I use 2 of the same coupon, the machine like kicks me out and they won't let me use it, even though you can. It's just their machine's dumb. So I try to use 1 of each coupon. I had a 6 off of 20 Revlon CRT, plus I had a $5 off Revlon Mystery CRT. So I paid $2.78 for the both of these. That is still a great deal. But then you guys will get $4 back when you spend every 10 you spend. So since I spent $20, I ended up getting $8 back. So these right here became a $5.22 moneymaker. So just buy those. And since I also spent $20 and I still had the CRT that was ending today, I ended up getting a makeup bag, and she's like, we don't have the one that was advertised, but you can just pick any of the ones that they have. So I was pretty excited, and since I did this deal on both of my cards because I wanted to get the makeup bag. I just really wanted to get the makeup bag because I was originally just going to do it once. So the one I got was it's salt in the sea, or salt in the air, sand in my hair. So they want $14 for this. This is ridiculous, but we're gonna cut this open if I can. I got my scissors. I always have scissors with me in my bag. Benjamin was sick this morning, so I had to get a different bag because he accidentally threw up on my other bag. But I'm just gonna open this up and see what we got. So this is this one. This one's from this summer, and I feel like you get pretty good stuff. So we got a Beauty 360 After Sun Watermelon and Vitamin E Sheet Mask, and I just used a mask the other day. An After Sun Cucumber Sheet Mask. Now these are the Walgreens brand. Actually, no, this is the one that's always by the this one's always by the CRT or the Redbox machine. And then we got some sun balm. So I got some lip balm. It looks like a hair tie. Leave-in, okay, so it's a travel size 3-in-1 leave-in, sunscreen, lip balm, a hair tie, and then a Sony sticker. So that's kind of cool. And then, let's see what else we got. I got a Maybelline coupon for $3 off. And then I ended up getting another Deep Sea Mud Mask. They're really into the mud masks. And this looks like it's Wet n Wild. So I got the Wet n Wild liquid highlighter, so that's kind of cool. So that was what was in one bag that I got for spending $20. And since I had 2 cards, I know some of you guys might not like it that I have 2 cards, but I know a majority of you guys do. I just wanted to do this deal because I've never been able to get one of these bags, and I've been finally getting one. So the other bag I got was the But First Me Time, and I really like this bag. I think it's super cute. So we're just gonna open it up and see what we got in this one. So I ended up getting it looks like a little eyeliner. I don't know what brand this is. It just says Wonder 2 Super Stay Liner. It's a really small liner, but whatever. A Wonder Kiss Lip Plumping Gloss. That's kind of cool. And then I got a silicone sponge. Now I actually used one of these that I got from Ulta. Wasn't a big fan of it, but I did change my makeup away a little bit, and I started using it again. Still getting used to it, but still excited to use that. I also got the L'Oreal Everpure. This is something that you put in your hair, so I ended up getting that. And then I got a Charcoal Almond, another sheet mask. It's crazy. So another mask. And then we got e.l.f. Wax Pencil. Oh, so you just, I think you just put your brows on there and then you probably color it in. It's kind of weird. So there's that. And then another mask. Roses are red, violets are blue, so it's a fusion sheet mask. So I got all those for free for both spending 2 different things. So I'm like, sweet, you know, that's okay. I want wanted to do the toothpaste, or the toothbrushes, but my store don't have the $2.99 toothbrushes like everybody else is talking about, so didn't have any of those. But then I also got the paparazzi. Now these were 2 for $5. You guys just pay $5 for this, but then you guys will get a $4 ECB, making them $1 a piece. I kind of like this. I've been into wearing nail polish. It's funny, I just put nail polish on less than 24 hours ago and they're already peeling, and these are the Revlon kind, so I don't do very good with nail polish. I just don't know, it just doesn't stay on very well. And then I don't know if I did the candy deal already. No, I don't think I did. But I ended up getting the Reese's candy. Now these were $1.99 a piece. I used a $1 off of 2 coupon that is in today's paper. I also used the 3 off of 3 CRT that we received last week. You guys would just get these for 3 bags for $1.97 or just 66 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. Now if you guys don't have those coupons, I actually got them in my inserts, and if you guys don't have those coupons, definitely look for the Peelies. She was like, oh, you got these coupons. I'm like, nope, that's okay, I'm gonna get what I got. So I ended up doing that. So my total for everything came out to be $1.13, you guys. $1.13. That was awesome. I ended up using $33 worth of ECBs back, but then I also got $33 back in ECBs, so it came out even, which I love. That's my point of me couponing. And then I ended up getting $2 and like 50 cents basically, or $2.05 basically from Fetch Rewards for the Tresemme. So $2 is basically what I got. But without Fetch, it came out to be like $1.13, but with Fetch it ended up becoming an 87-cent moneymaker. So I got everything for free. I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna start using more sheet masks because I have them, and why not use them? If you guys saw my Instagram post the other day, you saw that I dyed my hair and I also had a sheet mask on, and after I put that on, my face actually felt like really nice, and Charlotte's looking at me like, Mom, what are you doing? And I'm like, yeah. So I don't know. I was pretty excited for that, but I'm excited I got everything for free. I haven't had a moneymaker haul in a while, so definitely do that Revlon deal if you guys can definitely do that. Revlon's a great week for couponing, especially at CVS and at Walgreens this week. But if you guys enjoyed my video, please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it. I will see you guys all next week. I'm going to try to post my video early next week because we are going to a birthday party and we are going swimming, so I need to pretty much wake up at the crack of dawn, do my videos before my hair gets done, because once I go swimming, I'm not going to be any more videos because my makeup's going to be like bleh. But yeah, so again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys again next week, hopefully bright and early, for my next CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.